Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best pet MD Benzoyl Peroxide Medicated Shampoo is probably one of the most effective solutions for tackling stubborn skin issues in your beloved pets, offering a powerful yet gentle way to combat bacterial and fungal infections, alleviate itching, and promote a healthier coat, making it an indispensable addition to your pet care arsenal for those times when standard grooming just isn't enough to soothe their discomfort and restore their skin's natural balance. Number 5. Veterinary Formula Clinical Care Medicated Dog Shampoo. Introducing Veterinary Formula Clinical Care Antiparasitic and Antiseborrheic Medicated Dog Shampoo. It's designed to support your dog's skin health and soothe occasional itchiness. This shampoo promotes a healthy coat by clearing away environmental stressors. It helps manage dry, flaky skin, leaving your dog's coat clean and comfortable. Our medicated formula is tough on flakes and odors. It uses key ingredients to shed dead cells, leaving a fresh, medicinal scent that indicates it's working. It soothes sensitive spots with gentle hydration from oatmeal and allantoin. This helps manage seasonal allergies, allowing for a safe wash without harsh soaps or dyes. This formula is pH balanced specifically for canine care. Unlike human washes, it supports your dog's skin safely, giving you peace of mind for an occasionally itchy pup. It's simple to use for an at-home wash. Just massage it into their coat for 10 minutes, knowing that some initial flaking is a normal part of the process. What we like? This formula is tough on flakes and odors, using active ingredients to tackle dead skin cells. It also soothes sensitive spots with oatmeal and allantoin, providing gentle hydration. If your dog suffers from dry, flaky skin or seasonal allergies, this is a great choice for a soothing and effective wash. What people say? This shampoo is great for dogs with itchy skin and hot spots. It helps to reduce inflammation and redness, and it also has a pleasant scent. The shampoo lathers well and is easy to rinse out. Number 4. Pet MD Dog Ear Cleaning Wipes. Introducing Pet MD Dog Ear Cleaning Wipes, the advanced formulation designed to gently clean and deodorize your pet's ears. Keep them healthy and happy with regular use. These soothing wipes, infused with aloe vera and eucalyptus, help reduce the risk of ear infections and minimize wax buildup. They are safe for regular use on your furry friend. Our 100-count pack offers convenient, disposable wipes for easy ear care. They are non-irritating and perfect for dogs over 12 weeks old. Say goodbye to foul ear odor and help prevent infections without medication. These wipes keep your dog's ears clean and healthy. Made in the USA in federally regulated facilities, you can trust the quality and safety of our ear cleaning wipes. Ensure your dog's ear health with confidence. What we like? These wipes are designed to gently clean, deodorize, and dry your pet's ears, helping to reduce the risk of infections and minimize wax buildup. They are safe for regular use and come in a convenient count. If you're looking for an easy way to maintain your dog's ear hygiene between vet visits or grooming sessions, these wipes are ideal. What people say? This shampoo is a lifesaver for my dog's skin issues. It cleared up his hot spots and itchy skin within a week. I've tried other medicated shampoos before, but this one is by far the most effective. It smells great too, not medicinal at all. My vet recommended this shampoo for my dog's seborrhea, and it has made a huge difference. His coat is softer and less flaky. Number 3. Pet Honesty Chlorhexidine Shampoo. This is more than just shampoo, it's a healing cleanse for both cats and dogs. It effectively soothes irritated skin, providing much-needed itch relief for your furry companions. It's an effective solution for pets suffering from allergies, helping to reduce inflammation and heal uncomfortable hot spots. You'll notice a shinier, healthier coat. This antibacterial shampoo also works to reduce unpleasant odors caused by bacteria and fungus. It's a comprehensive solution for a cleaner, fresher pet. Formulated with soothing aloe, this shampoo is gentle yet effective. It's made without harsh chemicals, ensuring a safe and comfortable experience for your pet. We use clean, science-backed ingredients for results you can rely on. Plus, we're committed to sustainability with recycled packaging and supporting pets in need. Beyond soothing irritation and promoting a healthy coat, it leaves your pet smelling fresh with a light cucumber melon scent. It effectively tackles odors from fungus and bacteria. What we like? This shampoo offers a healing clean with a veterinary strength formula that soothes irritated skin, providing itch relief for both cats and dogs. It promotes a shiny coat, reduces inflammation, and helps heal hot spots while also tackling odors from bacteria and fungus. If your pet has allergies, itchy skin, hot spots, or bacterial fungal issues, this is the go-to solution for a powerful yet gentle cleanse. What people say. This shampoo is a great medicated shampoo for dogs with skin issues. It helps to clear up bacterial and fungal infections, and it also helps to reduce itching and inflammation. Number 2. Pet MD Topical Spray. Introducing a gentle solution for your pet's skin and coat. It's designed to cleanse and maintain a healthy appearance. This non-stinging formula provides topical management for skin and coat issues. It's a comfortable option for your furry friends. Perfect for use between baths, this spray is easier than traditional shampoos. Keep them fresh and clean with minimal effort. It's useful for targeted cleansing in sensitive areas like face folds, groin, and underarms. It also helps to dry the affected areas effectively. This spray helps clean and maintain a healthy skin and coat for your dogs and cats. Ensure their well-being with regular use. Made in the USA in federally regulated facilities, you can trust the quality and safety of this product for your beloved pets. What we like. This topical spray is designed to cleanse the skin and coat for pets, offering a non-stinging solution that's perfect for use between baths. It's easier than shampoos and useful for topical cleansing of folds and other areas, helping to dry the affected area. If you need a quick and easy way to refresh your pet's skin and coat, especially in hard-to-reach or sensitive areas, this spray is a convenient option. What people say. This shampoo is great for my dog's skin issues. It helps to clear up infections and reduce itching. I've been using this shampoo for a few weeks now, and I've seen a significant improvement in my dog's coat. It's softer, shinier, and less prone to breakage. Number 1. Pet MD XL Topical Wipes with Aloe. These extra-large wipes are designed for easier handling and provide more coverage. They can reach even the hard-to-reach places on your pet. Help keep your pet's skin and coat clean and healthy. These wipes are perfect for maintaining their overall hygiene. Our no-sting formula is gentle and safe for sensitive areas. Use them to cleanse face folds, underarms, and groin areas without discomfort. These convenient wipes are great for travel or keeping in an emergency kit. They are ideal for keeping your pet healthy between baths. Proudly made in the USA in federally regulated facilities. They are produced in small batches to ensure quality and safety for your beloved pets. What we like. These extra-large wipes are designed for easier handling and more coverage, helping to clean and maintain the skin and coat of your pets. The no-sting topical formula is great for cleansing face folds, underarm, and groin areas, making them convenient for travel or keeping your pet healthy between washes. If you need a quick, effective, and portable way to clean your pet's skin and coat, especially after outdoor activities or in between full baths, these XL wipes are an excellent choice. What people say. This shampoo is great for dogs with skin issues. It helps to clear up infections and reduce itching. I have been using this shampoo for my dog for years and it has always worked wonders. It is gentle on his skin and helps to keep his coat healthy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.